Time for unbox. Today we are unboxing an SSD. Well, my first SSD, a major upgrade to my system. As you can see, well, what is this? Hey, a $80 gift card. Oy, that's nice. Yeah. Well, thank you very much. I'll sell it online. When I have to sell it, I can't get it because I don't need it. Okay. This is just a unboxing of this SSD that I bought a few weeks ago. Yeah, with how things are now. It took a long while to get here, about 3 weeks. That's because I live in Jamaica. Have to forward the shipping here after it's picked up in the US. But at least I got it. I will be testing it and uploading some benchmarks to the channel so you guys can see how it performs. It was very recommended by most of the tech YouTubers on the space, but I'll see for myself. Okay, thanks for watching. That was just a short unboxing video. I'll also post a link to this SSD on Newegg in the description. Currently it's on sale. I don't know how long the sale lasts for, but you can get it cheaper than the price that I got it for. Later, like and subscribe. Okay, so this is how the final result looks. Yeah, looks good. So well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and if you feel like to pick up one of these drives, as I said in the previous video, they were on sale on Newegg. I'm not sure how the sale lasted, or if it's still going on. You can still check. So if you like the video, like, subscribe, leave a comment and share. This has been Wolf. Peace.